shoulders. Moss climbs up the broken stair. Breath fog in a hall of statues. Every eye like it's halfway there. Lanterns hanging over nothing. Slow sway where the floor gave way. Little suns in a sea of shadows, calling me to step and stay. Rainfall in the ancient stone temple. Every drop writes your name in the dust. Lanterns levitating in the dark, so gentle. Like they know who to fear, who to trust. I rise with the echoes, weightless in the glow. Rainfall in the ancient stone temple, won't let you go. My hand on a worn out carving, line smooth from 1,000 prayers. Hear a low hum under my heartbeat, like the room is a hidden stair. Water runs through the cracks in the floor, turns the silence into low tide. Lanterns drift in a slow ring circle, like they're choosing which soul to guide. Rainfall in the ancient stone temple. Every drop writes your name in the dust. Lanterns levitating in the dark, so gentle. Like they know who to fear, who to trust. I rise with the echoes, weightless in the glow. Rainfall in the ancient stone temple, won't let you go. Stone breeze, walls bend, time leaves, corners blend. I close my eyes, feel the air get heavy. Hear a deep voice under my skin. Ooh. If I fall through the floor of this moment, will the lanterns lift me again? Ooh. Rainfall in the ancient stone temple. Every drop writes your name in the dust. Lanterns levitating in the dark, so gentle. Like they know who to fear, who to trust. I rise with the echoes, weightless in the glow. Rainfall in the ancient stone temple, won't let you go.